This is the Evans DB1 tom head. Got this guy for my lessons kits, and I have a set of these on my drums right now. And I'm pretty impressed with this guy. So one cool feature that it has is it has this sticky removable center patch that you can pull off and reposition if you're hitting the drum not dead center, or you find that you keep hitting it to the right or something like that. And it has these foam rings here that keep it from becoming kind of flabby. So I really do like this head. And as you can see, I have it on the kit. And it's actually low volume. And it sounds pretty good. So if you're in the market for something like this right now, I would suggest these guys to you. They are very low volume. It is like way later than being able to play drums in my neighborhood right now, and I have absolutely no worries because I know the sound of this kit is not going to go outside these four walls. It is quiet enough to where, yes, I can play drums in the middle of the night, but they still have tone, which is the biggest thing. They actually have tone, and it sounds like a tom.